So this stopped working and it was like starting to chop up, and then when I looked at it, I realized, you hear that? I realized that this was on an angle. So I thought that you just had to replace the whole thing and throw it out. And then when I went online, I saw that other people were able to replace it. And so I ordered a new one. So, so this is the new one. Sorry, I just ripped it. This is for the 3.0. And then I realized how easy it is. All you gotta do is pop this back and it's off. And then grab the new one and you pop it in. You just gotta line it up here. By the way, I cleaned it all out. It was so disgusting that I can't believe you're supposed to change these every 3 months. And there you go, brand new, 20 bucks all day long.